Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to do the 8th question of exercise 9.2 7th grade CBSE NCERT Maths. Here the question is, find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is Rs 15 per meter square. That is, here we have to find the cost of polishing this tabletop. And now how to find the cost? For finding the cost, first what we have to find out? Perimeter or area of this tabletop. Since it is about polishing, that is, polishing means like this. That is, here we have to get this top portion. What about this portion? It is nothing but the area of this tabletop. And what is the formula for finding the area? Since the tabletop is circular in shape, the formula for finding the area is pi r square. That is equal to pi into r into r. Here pi is given, that is 3.14. So 3.14 into what is r? It is the radius of this tabletop. How to get radius? That is, here diameter is given. It is 1.6 meter. So diameter equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore radius will be half of this. That is 1.6 divided by 2 meter. So here we can write 1.6 by 2 into 1.6 by 2. Doing this, we will get the area of this tabletop. After that, we have to find the cost of polishing. Now, first let us find the area. It is given diameter of the tabletop equal to 1.6 meter. Therefore, radius equal to 1.6 divided by 2 meter. That is equal to, now let us divide 1.6 by 2. That is 1.6. Since 1 is less than 2, here we have to take 2 digits, that is 16. But before 6, there is a decimal. So, here also put the decimal. Now the dividend is 16. So, we know 2 8s are 16. So, you can write 8 here. That is equal to, here 16. When we subtract, it is 0. Or we can divide without the decimal also. That is, you write 16. And when we divide 16 by 2, we know it is 8. 2 8s are 16. Here we get the quotient, that is 8. And we have to put the decimal here, that is in 1.6. After the decimal, there is only 1 digit here. So, for putting the decimal in the answer, from the right you have to move 1 place to the left. So, decimal comes here. So, it will be 0.8. That is 1.6 divided by 2. That is 0.8 meter. Now, area of the tabletop equal to, we know the formula, that is pi r square, that is equal to pi into r into r, that is equal to pi is 3.14 into r. What is radius? You can write 1.6 by 2 or 0.8. Here I am writing 0.8. So 0.8 meter into 0.8 meter. That is equal to 3.14 multiplied by 0.8 meter into 0.8 meter. How much? 8 8s are 64. So we can write 64 here. Then now we need to put the decimal. So after the decimal there is one digit here, and here also after the decimal one digit here. So total 2 digits. So from the right count 1, 2. That is to the left of 6. That is here we have to put the decimal. Now meter into meter, it is meter square. That is equal to, now we have to multiply 3.14 and 0.64. For that, write the numbers without decimal and multiply first. 4 4s are 16, and 4s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 3s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 6 3s are 18. When we add 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2. So here we get 20096. Now we have to put the decimals. Since there are 2 digits after the decimal, and here also 2 digits after the decimal. So in total 4 decimal places. That is, from the right move 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, put the decimal here. That is 2.0096, that much meter square. This is the area of this tabletop. Next we have to find the cost for polishing this tabletop. So next write rate of polishing equal to rupees 15 per meter square. That means for 1 meter square area the cost is rupees 15. Suppose this is the area for which the cost is rupees 15. Then how to get the total cost? That is, we have to get the cost for this total area. For getting the total cost, we have to multiply area with 15. So, total cost for polishing the tabletop equal to area of the tabletop multiplied by cost for 1 meter square area. That is equal to 2.0096 meter square. That is, area is 2.0096. Then we have to multiply this with rupees 15. Now let us multiply 20096 with the 15. That is equal to 301440. Next we have to put the decimal. Here after the decimal there are 4 digits. So from the right we have to move 4 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal here. And here since Rupees 15 is for 1 meter square area. So here we can cancel meter square and this meter square. So we get the cost as rupees 30.144. That is the cost for polishing this tabletop is 30.144 rupees. Hope it is clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.